Hi, I'm Dr. Mahesh Jayaraman. On behalf of SNIS's Get Ahead of Stroke campaign, I'm excited to walk you through our advocacy and stakeholder engagement toolkit. As you know, rapid and appropriate triage, transport, and treatment are critical to a stroke patient's ability to survive and thrive. Ensuring patients get this life-saving care is what Get Ahead of Stroke is all about. Since the campaign launched in 2016, your involvement and leadership in your regions have been instrumental, and we can't slow down now. Action is still needed to make sure these triage and transport protocols stay in place, meaning we still need your help. This toolkit will help you do just that. It was designed for three main reasons. First, to provide you with helpful tips to advocate for updates to EMS triage and transport protocols. Second, to give you strategies to engage lawmakers and other key stakeholders. And third, to support your work with EMS personnel and hospital leaders. There's a lot in here, so let's break it down. The toolkit begins with advocacy. In this section, you'll find tips on how to identify and work with elected officials, talking points and suggestions for meetings and media interviews, and even materials you can bring with you or send to relevant stakeholders. We have even included a template email that you can use where you only have to fill in a few details like name, state, and title. I assure you, any question you have about engaging elected officials is answered here. The second half of this toolkit is devoted to EMS outreach. In this section, you'll find tips on how to engage with EMS in your area, information on the Stroke Scales for EMS mobile app, and materials you could bring with you to a training or present at a webinar. Whether you're preparing for a legislative meeting, hosting an EMS training, or simply trying to raise awareness, these tools will help you feel prepared. I encourage you to explore this toolkit, share it with your colleagues, and to use it to spark ideas about how you can implement change in your community. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to a member of the Get Ahead of Stroke team. Remember, together we can make sure more patients survive and thrive after stroke.